Marvin, come on. Oh, there you go.
Let us know that our party's too lit. They're telling us we gotta turn it up a little bit. They said they can't hear it. In the Navigator. Like in this color too?
The matte block.
Yeah, the matte block is sick. Should I just get one? Should I just get one? Should I?
Maybe put it in the shop.
Grand National. Damn. So sweet.
And then for like
Yeah.
a TV or film.
I bet, man. Fast and Furious.
Yeah, but they wrecked it within the first 15 minutes.
I know, but I rewatch that one all the time, though.
Yeah.
That's when Vin Diesel drives it, right?
Yeah. Puerto Rico.
Yeah. This guy's got like 50 cars. Yeah. And a tail of two C7s.
That one's dead on.
No. No, that's not a Zell. That's just a Zip 1. He modified it. Oh no, it's a Grand Sport, my bad. You're on camera! It's the tail of two Corvettes. Did you mod yours though? Oh, you can't get up, bro. Okay, come on, Batmobile. Here with the Batmobile. You know it's a Batmobile because it has a Batmobile symbol. So he added like the lip and everything. So he added the lip and all that stuff, right? He added all the lip, like the, yeah, and then the wicker thing at the back. Got the whole club to myself.
Thank you, Harry. This job is hugely demanding.